Hi, thanks for watching this short video on how you can use wikibadges.org to co-design badges and microcredentials. Step 1, go to wikibadges.org. Wikibadges is available in several languages, which you can select in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. If you want to contribute to the wiki, you will need to create an account. Click Login in the upper right-hand corner, and you can click Register to create a new account, or simply log in if you already have an account. From the Wikibadges homepage, you can browse badges that others have created, or you can create a brand new badge. All badges created on Wikibadges are openly licensed and are available for you or anyone else to issue or adapt for your own purposes. That's really important, so I'll say it again for emphasis. All badges on Wikibadges are openly licensed using a Creative Commons license, similar to OERs or Open Educational Resources. And all badges are available for you to adapt or issue yourself. If you'd like to start by browsing badges that others have created, there are a few ways you can do that. First, you might check out the Project Showcase link. Anyone's welcome to add badges to the showcase in order to make them easier to find. For example, here we have a Working Toward UN Sustainable Development Goal number 4 of quality education. This is a badge that you can use to recognize someone else who's doing good work towards SDG 4, or it's a badge that you could self-issue in order to document your own work. Note that all 17 UN Sustainable Development Goals are represented with these Working Towards SDG badges on Wikibadges. To see a comprehensive list of all badges in English, go to the wikibadges.org homepage and click on the sitemap link. Click on your preferred language, then click on Badge. Here you will find a complete list of all badges on the English pages of the wikibadges.org website. When you're ready to create a new badge, go to the wikibadges.org homepage, and at the bottom of the homepage, click on the text box under Add a New Badge. Type the title of your new badge. For example, I'm going to create a badge called Nice Working With You. Then click Add Badge. It opens up a new page, and this is where you'll type all of your badge metadata, such as title, description, criteria required to earn the badge, and any standards with which the badge is aligned. You can also add a badge image, but note that the image is optional. It can be added later. Much of the text on this page are instructions. Asterisks and backslashes identify text as instructions. This first block of instructions prompts us to add a badge image, so I'll go ahead and do that now. I'll place my cursor directly underneath the instructions, and then I'll click on this image button up above. That opens a pop-up window. To select my image file, I will click on Select Files. Now this doesn't look like it's a button, but it is. You click directly on the Select Files text. I find the badge image that I want to upload, and I upload it. Now I click the Upload button, and then I click the Done button. Now the image appears on the pop-up window, and I click on the image. I click the Insert button, and here it's added the markup needed to add the image to the page. Let's scroll down. Now it prompts us to add a badge description. I'm going to highlight this text and start typing or pasting. Next we can add tags, and then we can add alignments. I haven't found a standard I want to use for a Nice to Work With You badge, but let me give you a few places you can look for competency frameworks. First, we have Credential Engine's Credential Registry. If you go to credentialfinder.org, you can search for competency frameworks. Right there it is. There's also ESCO, which is a very comprehensive library of competency frameworks developed by the European Union. The place to go for that is ec.europa.eu/esco/portal/skills. Next, there's ONET, web address onetonline.org. ONET contains skills definitions and career descriptions, and it's sponsored by the U.S. Department of Labor. Another popular framework is NACE, or the National Association of Colleges and Employers, which has 8 career readiness competencies. Check them out on naceweb.org. You might also check out goframeworks.io, which will let you develop custom competency frameworks. I think this is more geared towards organizations and not so much individuals, but still very interesting and worth checking out. Two other organizations that are leading efforts to develop frameworks and networks around skills definitions are the Open Skills Network and the T3 Innovation Network. Check them out if you want to learn what's new and upcoming in this recognition space. But like I said, I haven't found a standard for It's Nice to Work With You yet, so I'll skip that for now. Next, we have criteria for earning the badge. Make sure you type all of your criteria below this line here. So I'll overwrite this text and paste in my criteria. I've said this badge is intended for peer recognition. The issuer should state in what ways they worked with the recipient, and optionally they may provide an example that illustrates why the recipient is nice to work with. If I wanted to, I could cancel this. I can also click on Preview in order to see what it's going to look like. Okay. That looks okay, so I will go ahead and click on Save. And there it is. It's now available for anyone to issue. You'll still need your own badge platform from which to issue the badge assertions. What you've created here is a badge class, which you could think of as sort of like the template that contains all of the general information about the skill or achievement, but doesn't contain any of the information that's specific to any particular recipient. So you do need a badge vendor, such as Badger or Open Badge Factory or Anthology, from which to issue the badge. But that can be as simple as copying and pasting from the text that's here on the wikibadges.org webpage. I will note that if you have Open Badge Passport or CanCred, there is an integration that lets you import directly from wikibadges.org. But again, not hard at all to just copy and paste information directly from this webpage. That's it. I hope you explore wikibadges.org and try it out to co-design some badges or micro-credentials. Thanks for watching.